Oh yeah, I got this. This is easy. Oh shit! Oh no, Austin, careful. Oh, dude. Dude, that's so cool. What do we got here, man? Oh shit! All right, guys, how is it going? Today we are in the Subaru WRX wagon, and we are at an undisclosed location. And with the car being fixed, we're gonna see if my little wagon can hang with my friend's 4Runners, right? One is a lifted V6 and the other is a stock 4.7 V8. We're gonna see if the little wagon can hang. So obviously there's stuff that I can't do, like I can't go in water that's too deep, or like this kind of mud. I'll definitely get stuck. But I want to see what the capabilities are of Subaru's all-wheel drive system. You know, how will this car respond? How will it react? And in the end, I would like to do some all-wheel drive donuts. That would be the goal. So we're gonna see what these guys can do, and we're gonna bring out the Subaru. All right, so let me just introduce you guys to the owners real quick, and you can see a little bit of their builds. So we got Noah.
What's up?
And this is his 4Runner.
2006, four-wheel drive, a 3-inch lift, 33-inch tires. So
it's got the works. So if anybody's not getting stuck, it's gonna be this guy.
Yeah, I don't have any straps though,
so if we get stuck,
if you guys get stuck, I can't pull you guys out.
We're cooked.
Yeah.
And then we got Austin in the 4.7 4x4. Can't even read it. Oh,
sorry,
dude, do something crazy. Do something.
Well, let's go.
Dude, should I do it in the Subi? Should I hit that?
Yeah.
All right. All right, guys, we're gonna see if I can hit that little kind of, I guess,
go through,
the
like,
edge.
the middle part.
Yeah, I'm gonna go real slow. Take it slow at first.
Do you have traction control?
I don't know how to turn it off if I do.
You might not have it.
I don't think I have it though. There's not like a.
Can you do like a burnout? Like, does it give you resistance?
No, it just lets me go.
Oh, then you should probably be fine.
Should be good.
Yeah.
Guys, I don't know if I have like a traction control light in this thing, but I don't believe I do. So we're just gonna send it real slow and see what happens. All right. Dude. You know, the sad part is I just detailed this car, and then we're fucking. Oh no, Austin.
What?
Dude, you'll get stuck.
Lock the diff. No, he's fine.
Oh yeah.
This is fine. You gotta crawl out. It can't be wild. Yeah.
All right. Obviously, guys, I'm a noob, so let's see what the Subaru can do. We're just gonna approach it like real nice and easy. Oh yeah, I got this all day, dude. Unfortunately, my e-brake is not like tight, so like it doesn't work. I would love to rip the e-brake up there, but we're gonna do this and send it and see what happens. I'm gonna ask these guys. Do you think I should send it?
Dude, just send
I got
it.
up there easy.
Do it, pull the e-brake, do like an e-drift.
No, my e-brake is loose. It's not tight.
Oh,
so I would just have to like turn the car and get it.
I took a video of you.
Oh yeah? Dude.
Dude, it's hot as fuck.
I'm gonna throw the GoPro on.
Throw it on.
We're gonna see what we can do, guys. All right, guys, let's get it. All right. I don't know if I should put my windows up or not, guys. I am like a huge noob at this, so we're gonna see what this car can do. I'm honestly pretty curious. I think Noah's going for it right now. He's about to send it. And then I'm gonna go. I don't know, guys. Should I just dump the clutch? There's Noah. I don't know if you guys can see him. He's way up there. Dude, that's sick. All right, guys, we're gonna cut the AC off. Holy shit. Oh my god. Well, the LSD works. Dude.
That looked pretty good.
Dude, what? Dude, I have to do that again. Guys, I think the Subaru, this is its natural habitat, man. Freaking rally car over here. I know you guys saw that. Like, freaking Travis Pastrana out here. Let's kick on those fans. It might get a little hot. It's pretty hot outside, guys. I'm doing this for you, though. I'm waiting for Austin to give me the signal. Dude, should I just send it all the way through?
Dude, yeah. Like, try to go and drift it and then come back out. I'll take a video from here.
Okay. All right, guys. I just gotta watch out for these branches. I think this is a good time to turn. Holy shit. Oh my god, this cannot be good for the suspension at all. Dude.
That's sick.
Dude, it's weird drifting like all-wheel drive because it kicks out a little, but then it straightens out and just shoots you.
Or is it harder?
It's harder.
Yeah.
It's like you definitely need to get used to it.
Yeah.
AC off. Holy shit. That was probably my cleanest slide right there. Holy fuck, look at Noah up there. Guys, now I'm gonna get like overconfident and like just try to climb that. There's no way I can get up there. There's no way. That's like, that's pretty gnarly. I don't think I can get up there.
I think you got just enough speed.
I think I'm gonna fishtail. Dude, I don't know if I can do that one, guys. I don't want to break my car. I'm just gonna drive around. I don't think I can do that, guys. We gotta respect. Oh yeah, I can do that. Hold up, I can 100% do that. We're gonna send it. I just had, it was like when I was further away from it, it seemed like it was totally impossible, but as I got a little bit closer, I think I can do it. I'm gonna wait for these two to come down and then I'm gonna go up.
It gets up there like nothing.
I actually think I can do it.
Yeah, there's just nowhere to turn around, so you have to do like a 3-point turn.
Like a 3-pointer?
Yeah.
I think I can do, because from here it looks like holy shit, but when you go,
might have to go hard though. But me and him, we just creep up.
yeah.
It's up to you. It's I mean,
I'm gonna try it.
Do it. Here, let me. I'll try to do a video.
All right. Austin's like taking it as slow as I would. Holy shit, guys! It look from here. It looks super steep. Dude, I think I can do it, right?
Yeah, I mean, just like send it a little bit. The only problem is your tires, but you're really good.
Oh, I stalled it.
Still.
Dude, I'm nervous. Guys, I just stalled it. I'm a noob. I might cut that out. All right. Oh yeah, I got this. This is easy. Dude, that was so easy. What? Dude, that was easy money. Let me get out just so you guys can get a visual. Holy shit. Let me take a thumbnail real quick. I think I want to turn the car this way to get like the background. We're gonna do it there. What's up, guys? I just wanted to say thank you for watching the video if you made it this far. Unfortunately, my GoPro did overheat, so a bunch of the files got corrupted and there was like a ton of footage missing, so I apologize on my end. It was my stupid GoPro. It's like 5 years old and I definitely need to upgrade, so that's on me. I'm sorry. But with all that said, if you guys did enjoy this video, let me know in the comment section below, because me and the homies were talking about it and we actually want to go back out there and like mess with the cars again, because it was just so much fun regardless of me filming it or not. Like, I loved it and I had such a blast. And the Subaru did like pretty good, surprisingly, but definitely not on the level of the 4Runners, obviously. So let me know if you guys want a follow-up or a part 2 to that, because we can make it happen again. And I was even thinking of bringing like more modified cars next time. But with all that said, be sure to smash the subscribe button, because we are on the road to 10,000 subs. And literally just leave a like on today's video. It would mean the world to me, and you guys don't understand the difference you make with just like liking the video. So with all that said, I will see you guys in the next video. I got a bunch of dope content that I've already pre-recorded and it's coming, and I'm editing it as we speak, literally like right now. So yeah, guys, just stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.